What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about the current state of the crypto markets today. Today is the 19th of August, and we're going to look at the charts real quick, okay? This marks the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th day of this overall process to the downside. It is the shakeout that we've been expecting, that we've been calling for, and as I said, it would be intense and it would be fast, very short-lived. We're coming to the end of this. Absolutely, we are coming to the end of this. I wouldn't expect that it lasts too much longer. If not, we've already found the low. And I've actually been making videos all today calling for the low across various cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'll call for the low on XRP today, Dogecoin, whatever. Doesn't matter what it is. Chainlink, they're all your favorite coins are at their low points. And if they're not at the low, if this isn't the low to a T, I'm off by like 1%, man, or maybe 5% for some of the lower cap coins, right? We're very, very, very near the low, if not at it itself, right? And I'm pretty confident that we're there. Pretty damn confident that we're there. I'm not making this video just to tell you that I think that we're at the low, right? Just to tell you that this shakeout is at an end. I'm also making this video to tell you that it is a perfect time to invest in crypto. It's literally probably the best time to invest in crypto between now and the end of the cycle, right? There were better moments, absolutely, months ago, but I'm talking about right now, from here into the end of the cycle. Today, maybe tomorrow, if we do drop lower, this 24, 48-hour period, this is a gift right now. Do not soil this opportunity. The news, the media, the shitheads on x.com, in your favorite Discord, in my YouTube comments, don't let them cause any form of panic within you to make you sell out of the markets right now. This is the worst possible time to sell out of the markets. It's absolutely the worst possible time. It's the best time to buy, right? And I like to play this game with myself. If I ask, if I ask myself this question, let's say that I was panicking right here, and I'm thinking, oh no, the bull market's over. We're going to zero. This is bad. I like to ask myself, if I did this perfectly, if I sold up here, if I sold everything that I have in crypto, if I sold up here and I hadn't bought back in, and I'm looking at the price right now, would I think it's a good time to buy back in, or would I be like, yep, I killed it, I'm stepping away, I'm walking away forever? Me personally, I think that this looks like a perfect opportunity to buy. We're at the low areas of this overall range. We're literally right above prior areas of support or resistance back here, finding support. We've hit our 886 from a low to a high. We've literally hit the 886. We're a little bit below it now. And it is possible that we do go lower, but I can't express also, just while we're talking about this on the charts, it's very uncommon to continue to drop from here, right? Typically, you find support at this area. Even if you do go lower, you would at least come up. We'd at least see some kind of reverberation to about like 116K, 117K. And if we get that, I'll talk about that and I'll say, hey, you know what, that low, that was just a low. It wasn't the low, but I think that it is the low. And if we're not there, if this shakeout isn't over completely to a T by the cent, we're very, very near that point, right? And I expect that either today or tomorrow promotes the lows that we're looking for. So it's a very important time to capitalize on this opportunity. It's a very essential moment, right? We're at critical levels of support for Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think we're going to find it. You need to get your money, $100, $100,000, whatever it is, your pocket change. Get it into crypto. It's a great time to get in, and certainly do not sell. I don't care what you hear on the media. I don't care what you hear on x.com, whatever, right? The fear and greed index is going down. All kinds of things. People are worried about the M2 money supply. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. This market cycle is right on schedule. We've got higher prices to go, not just over the coming days, but over the coming weeks, over the coming months, okay? By the end of this year and going into 2026, we've got a lot of growth to go. Alt season is absolutely happening. I don't know, anytime that I say alt season is happening, I get a bunch of people who say alt season's not happening. All the money's going into Bitcoin. It's not going into anything else. Okay, well, how do you explain Ethereum then over the past 4 months? Okay, it's all going into Bitcoin and not Ethereum. No, yeah, or into any other altcoins. If Ethereum's going up, we're going to have an alt season. If Solana's going up, if XRP is going up, we're going to have an alt season. XRP and Ethereum are both on the brink of seeing new all-time highs, right? So is Bitcoin. The top three coins are all there. What makes anybody think that we're not going to see an alt season just because some Bitcoin maximalists say that stuff? You know what I mean? It's the same rhetoric that I hear. And most of the people that say that stuff, I would guess, if you're one of those people, I'm not trying to offend you. I'm going to guess, if you're one of those people, that this is your first bull cycle. I'm going to guess that that's the truth. Yes, this alt season has been delayed. It's been a problem. Not all altcoins have been delayed. There's some altcoins, there's plenty of altcoins really that have outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum this cycle so far by far. But alt season And the reason why I'm making this video and saying that you need to get your money parked into crypto right now is that alt season is starting. It is coming. We've had the forefronts of it over the past couple of weeks, and we are about to move up in a massive way all across the board, you guys, over the coming weeks from here, over the coming months from now, and even going into 2026. The worst thing you could do is sell. Do not panic. Don't believe the media. Read the news, whatever, if you want to, be aware of it, but don't let it influence your decisions. It's there to influence your decisions. It's there to engage you. It's not there to inform you, okay? That's not the purpose of it. You can inform yourself. You can do all that stuff, but do not make emotionally backed decisions. It's very important. I think that the best thing you could do, especially if it's your first bull cycle, the best thing you could do is just sit on your hands, do nothing. If it's your second or third bull cycle too, it's probably best for everybody. Just sit on your hands, do nothing. Buy the dip, if anything, and weather the storm, you guys. We are right there. I'm going to check the price right now. I haven't checked the price this whole video. I've been watching it like a hawk today. We're coming back down. The low today is at 112.7K. We're searching for that low, you guys. I think we're going to find it. We're either there now, and we're gonna find it here, or maybe we go a little bit lower. My favorite, man, is the comments on YouTube. I was calling for the low here on my Bitcoin video because I woke up and I made the video here, and we went barely lower, and I had some jokers on there saying, we're already lower. Yeah, you got me good. And then we pumped basically right from there. But we're coming back down. If we're looking at this 15-minute time frame, we've got some serious bullish divergence building on the 15-minute time frame, you guys, on the stochastics, on the MACD, on the RSI, all three of them. And that doesn't mean it's a 15-minute time frame. It's not the most significant time frame, but we've got some good stuff going on with all these indicators, and we're definitely showing readiness to bounce, right? Volume's dying off as they're moving lower. There's less interest, all that stuff. I wouldn't be surprised, looking at it here, if we did go a little bit lower, but I'm still calling for the low. I think the low is in. If it's not here, it's going to be a couple $100 lower than where it is. We're very, very near. And if by chance it's not a couple $100 lower, if by chance we see some kind of massive wick to like a flash crash to finish this shakeout, do not panic, okay? That's the last thing that I want to talk about. And I actually should have talked about this earlier because I'm sure that I've bored some people away with all my rhetoric in this video. The worst thing that you could do is expect that this is the low and that it has to be the low, and then we drop $1,000 and now you panic sell. If we drop $1,000 from here, if we drop $2,000 from here, if it's a super fast, just out of nowhere crash, I would expect that in the same day, maybe even in the same damn hour, we're going to come back up and it's going to be fine. That's just that one final push to clear out all the longs, to make people panic sell, capture and trap some short positions underwater, all that stuff, right? So do not fall for any of the games that the media is playing, that Bitcoin's going to play, that the markets are playing. We are very much near the low, both from a price perspective and a time perspective, if not at it now. There's a reason why I'm making videos all throughout the day calling for the low on all these different coins. So I got nothing else. Just wanted to give you an update on the shakeout. I think it's finally over. And if it's not over right now, it's going to be over soon enough. We're there. We're like 95 or 99 or 100% at completion. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one, okay? Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.